Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma has said the NIA filing charge sheet against Hnlc leaders will not affect the peace talks with the outfit. The NIA had filed charge sheet against 4 Hnlc men, including its chief, Bobby Marwin, for planting an IED behind staff quarters of Star Cement in East Jaintia Hills. Talking to reporters, the Chief Minister gave an assurance and they will ensure there is no kind of hurdle or interference because of these investigations by independent agencies, and this will not and should not affect the peace talks. It may be mentioned that the Chief Minister recently met the Union Home Minister Amit Shah in New Delhi and discussed about the peace talks with Hnlc.
We will ensure that there is no kind of hurdle or any kind of interference or any kind of problem because of these investigations. These are the independent investigations by an independent agency that are going on. So this will not and should not affect the peace talks.